how to send camera roll videos as snap. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and turn that bell icon on so you'll be updated in this channel. So to send videos as snap, go to your Snapchat, and in here what you would do is just take a sample video by long press on that button, and in here you can see the plus icon on the left corner. What you would do is tap on that. That will lead you to the camera roll of your phone. Or in here also you can tap on that plus icon right there with the camera sign, and this will lead you to your camera roll. So once you are here, you may choose a video that you desire to send, and then I will choose this one. So it will allow you to trim this video or edit. If not, you can check on that to continue. And of course we don't want the other video to be included, so just tap on it and click on the trash icon to delete it. And after that, what you would do, since the other one is deleted, you can click on the preview button right here that is colored yellow. So after that, you can also edit, and if not, you can just click on next and send it to the person. So thank you for watching.